Learning Japanese, let's ask a question with Demon Slayer. お前ら人間か? Today I'm going to introduce how to ask a question. Let's recap. This grammar is from previous video. We learned 何々は何々です。I am Kiki, so 私はキキです。In Demon Slayer, the main character, Kamado Tanjiro, he said, 俺はKamado Tanjiroだ。We can add some feeling when you change normal end of the word です to だ or だよ。吾妻善逸 he is also one of the characters in Demon Slayer. He is always crying, so he is a bit garish. He said, 俺は吾妻善逸だよ。You can add feeling using だ or だよ instead of です。But formal way to say is 私はキキです。何々は何々です。Today we will learn new vocabulary. She is Fatima. Her name is Fatima. She is Indonesian. His name is Renan and he is Brazilian. I don't speak Bahasa, so I am not very sure her name, but when I call her, normally just say Fatima. So probably one syllable or two syllable. But in Japanese, we say, in Japanese, we use moral system. Moral system, we can pronounce or we can speak same length. When we write some Japanese letters and we pronounce or we speak the same length of the letter, Fatima is going to be Fatima, three sounds. Because this fa is big, but this is very small. So we count one, fa. T, also T is big, but E is very small. So we count two and ma. And we don't call just her name. When we call someone, we have to, or it's better to add san. Because if I know her, so it's okay, but if you see someone you don't know and you want to call the person or you want to ask something, you have to add san. So Fatima gonna be Fatima-san. In the same logic, Indonesia will be written in Japanese. It is Indonesia. 6 letters. So we pronounce Indonesia is Indonesia. And when we describe the person, we put jin. So this is Fatima, Fatima-san, Indonesia-jin. Let's move on. Renan. His name is Renan. Probably Renan, one syllable or two. But in Japanese, his name is written Renan. So you already know how many sounds does he have? Yeah, 3 sounds and same length. So he is Renan-san. San is, in this case, like Mr. The san is very convenient word because you can use it for female and you can use it for male as well. And he is Brazilian. In Japanese, we write ブラジル four sounds. So, ブラジル人です。ファティマさんはインドネシア人です。We can use 何々は何々です。ファティマさんはインドネシア人です。レナンさんはブラジル人です。So let's watch.
お前ら人間か
This demon said, お前ら人間かお前ら人間か So he just add か in the end of the sentence. And it's easy, you can make a question. Just adding か. And in this case, お前ら is not polite word. It is very rude and informal. It's understandable because this is a demon. So demon doesn't speak polite word. But お前 is just you, only one person. お前ら is you guys. So this is a plural. But I would like to introduce normal way you. It's あなた means you. あなたたち means you guys. More than one. 人間 人間 is a normal word, formal word. And 人間 means human. And the demon omitted two things. He omitted は and he omitted です。And in Japanese, we tend skip or we tend omit a lot of words if we understand the sentence. So he said, お前ら人間かお前ら人間か But we can learn from the normal example, like with Fatima and Renan. So, ファティマさんはインドネシア人です。レナンさんはブラジル人です。いいですね。ファティマさんはインドネシア人です。Let's make a question. 皆さんどうぞ。はい。そうですね。ファティマさんはインドネシア人ですか？ファティマさんはインドネシア人ですか？レナンさんはブラジル人です。Let's make a question. 皆さんどうぞ。いいですね。レナンさんはブラジル人ですか？か is key. Let's have a conversation. Formal. ファティマさんはインドネシア人ですか？ファティマさんはインドネシア人ですか？ I want to say yes, so はい、インドネシア人です。In Japanese, yes is はい。レナンさんはインドネシア人ですか？ I want to say no, so いいえ、インドネシア人じゃありません。No is いいえ in Japanese. インドネシア人じゃありません。インドネシア人じゃありません。We want to deny, and it means no, he is not Indonesian. ブラジル人です。ブラジル人です。Let's have a conversation informal way. Just imagine you and your friends are talking about Fatima and Renan. ファティマさんって インドネシア人 There is about. So we are talking about Fatima. And we omitted desuka because it's obvious. And instead of desuka, we just make the end of the sentence tone is up. Yes. Informal is レナンさんってインドネシア人？ブラジル人。ブラジル人。No, in Japanese, informal. I want to introduce very useful sentence. 大丈夫ですか？大丈夫ですか？ This is a question mark because this is a question sentence because we have ka in the end. So that two girls are talking and she looks like a bit sad. She's cheering her up, I guess. 大丈夫ですか？大丈夫ですか？大丈夫です。大丈夫です。大丈夫？大丈夫。Tanjiro said 大丈夫ですか because he was worried about people inside of the house. And Demon said お前ら人間か because Tanjiro is human and Nezuko is demon. So the demon smells something off or weird. So let's watch.
大丈夫ですか？
大丈夫ですか？
お前ら人間か？
お前ら人間か？ I hope you get the sentences. Thank you for watching. 見てくれてありがとう。